Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel GAMAARZ. Today, we have an exciting product review for you: all-season automatic outdoor tent. Absolutely. Here's a YouTube video script for a review of an all-season automatic outdoor tent. This script is designed to cover all aspects of the tent, from its features and setup to its performance in various weather conditions, providing a thorough evaluation for potential buyers. Host on camera. Hello, outdoor enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore the all-season automatic outdoor tent. It's designed for campers who want a hassle-free setup and year-round protection. Let's check it out. Voiceover: this all-season tent is engineered for convenience and durability. It promises easy automatic setup and is built to withstand various weather conditions. Right out of the bag, the tent feels premium. The material is heavy-duty and the poles seem robust. Voiceover: included are the tent, automatic setup mechanism, stakes, and a rain fly. Voiceover: the automatic setup is a game changer. With just a push of a button, the tent unfolds and sets itself up in under a minute. Host on camera: this feature is perfect for campers who want to minimize setup time. Voiceover: this tent offers generous space for up to 4 people, with internal pockets and a gear loft for storage. The large doors and windows provide excellent ventilation, and the rainfly offers an extended vestibule for extra gear storage. Voiceover: constructed with high-quality, waterproof materials, the tent ensures a dry and comfortable experience in rain or snow. Host on camera: the seams are well sealed, and the rainfly fits snugly, offering great protection against the elements. Voiceover: inside, the tent is surprisingly roomy. It comfortably fits sleeping bags and pads, with enough headroom to sit up and move around. Host on camera: the tent's design maximizes interior space, making it feel open and airy. Voiceover: adequate ventilation is key in any tent, and this model doesn't disappoint. The multiple ventilation points reduce condensation effectively. Host on camera: even with the rainfly on, the tent stays well ventilated and condensation-free. Voiceover: we tested this tent in various seasons, from summer heat to winter snow. It stands up well to different weather conditions, providing a comfortable shelter year-round. Host on camera: its ability to adapt to different climates makes it a great choice for all-season campers. Voiceover: despite its robust construction, the tent is surprisingly portable. It folds down easily into its carry bag. Host on camera: for its size and features, the tent is quite manageable to transport and store. Considering its automatic setup, durability, and all-season capabilities, the tent offers great value for its price point. It's an investment for serious campers who value convenience and versatility. In conclusion, the all-season automatic outdoor tent is a top-notch choice for anyone seeking a hassle-free, durable, and versatile camping solution. Pan back to the scenic view of the tent in nature. Host on